ISO 50001 2018 Energy Management System ENMS Consultancy, Implementation, Training and Certification Support by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Please contact us through WhatsApp for your query. Hello everyone, welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's video, we will discuss ISO 50001 2018 Energy Management System ENMS, one of the world's most recognized standards for improving energy performance, reducing operational costs, and supporting sustainability. Whether you are from manufacturing, oil and gas, automotive, pharmaceuticals, food processing, power generation, data centers, commercial buildings, hospitals, educational institutions, or infrastructure projects, this video will help you understand how ISO 50001 can transform your organization's energy management practices. By the end of this session, you will understand what ISO 50001 is, why organizations implement it, benefits of certification, standards requirements, implementation process, certification process, industries that benefit, how URGS International can support your organization. Let us begin. What is ISO 50001? ISO 50001 is an internationally recognized standard developed by the International Organization for Standardization. Its purpose is to establish an effective energy management system that enables organizations to improve energy efficiency, reduce energy consumption, lower operational costs, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, improve sustainability performance, achieve control improvement. Unlike one-time energy-saving projects, ISO 50001 creates a systematic approach for managing energy throughout an organization. It applies to organizations of all sizes and sectors. Why energy management is important? Energy costs continue to increase worldwide. Organizations are under pressure to reduce electricity consumption, improve fuel efficiency, reduce carbon emissions, meet ESG commitments, achieve net zero objectives, comply with regulatory requirements. Poor energy management often results in higher operating costs, increased carbon footprint, inefficient equipment, excessive fuel consumption, increased maintenance costs. ISO 50001 helps organizations address these challenges through control improvement. Which industries need ISO 50001? Almost every organization can benefit. Major industries include manufacturing, steel plants, cement plants, power generation, renewable energy, oil and gas, chemical industries, pharmaceutical companies, food processing, beverage industry, textile industry, automotive manufacturing, engineering companies, hospitals, hotels, airports, ports, educational institutions, commercial buildings, data centers, logistics, warehousing, mining, infrastructure projects, smart cities. Even service organizations with high electricity consumption benefit significantly. Now, key benefits of ISO 50001. Organizations implementing ISO 50001 achieve numerous benefits. Lower energy bills. Optimized energy use reduces electricity and fuel costs. Improved equipment performance. Regular monitoring identifies inefficient equipment before failures occur. Better operational efficiency. Resources are utilized more effectively. Environmental protection. Reduce greenhouse gas emissions, supports sustainability. Regulatory compliance. Helps organizations comply with applicable energy regulations. Stronger corporate image. Customers increasingly prefer environmentally responsible companies. Competitive advantage. Many tenders and customers now prefer suppliers with internationally recognized management systems. Control improvement. Energy performance improves year after year. Main requirements of ISO 50001. The standard follows the high-level structure used by other ISO management system standards. Clause 4. Context of the organization. Understand internal and external issues. Identify interested parties. Define the scope of the energy management system. Clause 5. Leadership. Top management must demonstrate commitment, establish an energy policy, allocate resources, define responsibilities. Leadership involvement is critical. Clause 6 Planning. Organizations identify energy usage, significant energy usage, SEUs, risks, opportunities, objectives, targets, action plans. Energy review plays an important role. Clause 7 support. Organizations provide competent personnel, awareness training, communication, documented information, resources. Employee involvement is essential. Clause 8 operation. Organizations establish operational controls to improve energy performance. This includes operating procedures, maintenance, procurement, design considerations. Clause 9 performance evaluation. Organizations monitor energy performance, energy consumption, energy objectives, internal audits, management review. Performance is measured using energy performance indicators. Clause 10 improvement. Organizations identify non-conformities, corrective actions, opportunities for improvement. Control improvement remains the foundation of ISO 50001. ISO 50001 implementation process. Let us see this. Implementation generally follows these steps. Step 1 gap assessment. Compare existing practices against ISO 50001 requirements. Step 2 energy review. Identify major energy consuming processes. Step 3 is documentation. Then develop energy policy, procedures, objectives, operational controls, records. Then step 4, that is training, conduct awareness and internal auditor training. Then step 5 implementation, implement documented procedures. Step 6 internal audit, verify effectiveness. Step 7 management review, top management evaluates system performance. Step 8 certification audit. Certification audit conducts certification bodies conduct stage 1 and stage 2 audits. Upon successful completion, ISO 50001 certificate is issued by certification body. Now, common energy saving opportunities. What are these? Organizations commonly improve LED lighting, variable frequency drives, efficient motors, compressed air systems, boiler efficiency, steam systems, HVAC optimization, waste heat recovery, solar energy, energy monitoring systems, power factor improvement, process optimization, equipment preventive maintenance. Even small improvements can generate substantial long-term savings. Now, how URGS International can help? How we can support? URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited offers complete support for ISO 50001 implementation. Our services include gap assessment, energy management consultancy, documentation support, implementation assistance, internal auditor training, awareness training, lead auditor training, pre-certification assessment, certification coordination, surveillance audit support, integrated management system consultancy. Our experienced consultants support organizations across multiple industries in India and internationally. At last, conclusion and call to action. Summary. ISO 50001 is more than a certification. Please keep this in mind. It is a strategic investment in operational excellence, cost savings, and environmental responsibility. By implementing an effective energy management system, organizations can reduce energy costs, improve efficiency, lower carbon emissions, and strengthen their competitive position in the global marketplace. If your organization is planning to implement ISO 50001-2018 Energy Management System, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is ready to support you with expert consultancy, implementation, training, internal audits, and certification assistance. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Please message your inquiry first on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on ISO standards, management systems, auditing, quality, sustainability, inspection and certification. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping your organization achieve excellence in energy management.